All right, I'm totally freaking out. Paula, where are you? All right, and if you don't know who Paula is the girl that is always behind the camera. She is the one that makes these videos happen, right? She is not here with us today, right? This is the first time I'm doing this where it's just you and I, right? This is not a vlog. This is not considered a vlog, right? I will have my first vlog, but this is not it. It's just you and I. I'm gonna take you through this 10-minute high intensity workout, all right? I'm gonna show you 2 quick rounds of this workout that's gonna involve 4 minutes on, followed by 1 minute off. Right, in those 4 minutes, we're gonna go through 8 exercises, which we're gonna repeat for 30 seconds nonstop. So every 30 seconds, we're gonna switch exercises, right, making this a full 10-minute workout, followed by lower body and core exercises, okay? But feel free to keep going. Don't just stop at 10 minutes, right? I'm gonna show you 2 rounds here at the beach, okay? But feel free to go 15, 20, even 25 minutes, all right? I'm showing you this because this can simply be done anywhere, right? I'm here in Stuart, Florida. I'm about to jump on the beach, right, to show you guys this quick video, but you can do this at the park, at home, right, at the beach. Feel free to follow along exactly anywhere so you have no excuses, all right? 10-minute workout. You guys ready to do this? Let's go. That wasn't too bad, right? Who needs Paula anyways? Just kidding, Paula, don't ever do that again. I totally need you. I don't know if you can tell, but one, I was like forgetting the exercises, trying to remember. Two, I kept looking at my Apple Watch, which did not make it fun. And three, the sand just made it so much harder. So I suggest if you can, take it to the beach, right? It's only a 10-minute workout. Try it out in the sand. As you can tell, those high knees, right, side to side, the sand really absorbed it, so it made it a lot harder, right? It was nice to get some vitamin D outside with the sun, okay? But you can see it's so simple as a 10-minute workout. This can be done absolutely anywhere, okay? Feel free to make it a 15, 20, 25-minute workout. Like I said, you go hard for 4 minutes, right? You transition over those 30 seconds. You enjoy that 4 minute of rest before restarting again. All right, my suggestion is either one, have a partner to hold you accountable, a stopwatch, an alarm, something that's not an Apple Watch, because this was not too fun. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, one more quick thing. Tomorrow is October 1st. All right, make sure you follow me or Bruno, right? Bruno Scafidi on Instagram, or me, GC3 Fitness on Instagram. Why? Because tomorrow we are revealing our 6-week Shred Core program, okay? This is an ebook that will have a 6-week core program, all right, with a whole bunch of, I believe it's 25 different core workouts with 25 different exercises, right? In that 6 weeks, right, you have a whole talk about nutrition. I don't want to get too into it, right? You have to go check it out, right? The link will be in our bio, okay? And it will be tomorrow, all right? So again, follow at Bruno Scafidi on Instagram or GC3 Fitness, myself, all right? Because it will be out, right? Follow us. We always posting on our Instagram, all right? It's going to be a great program. We've been working really, really hard for it, right? I think you guys will definitely benefit from it, and my channel as well. All right, guys, so hopefully you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit me with a like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to tap that little bell so you guys get notified when I post. As for now, I gotta get ready for our next video. I gotta make sure to call Paula and tell her that I did this by myself. Have a great one, guys. Let's go.